Well, we're rolled up and four-wheel drive is engaged on the Crocs. Let's see how slippery the shit is. Oh, it's nice. How deep is it? Over my knees? I think it might be. Just make sure my pockets. What's in my pocket? It'll be fine. It's got to go above the knee. Let's go. My trousers just dropped down from below the knee. Motherfucker. Oh, that's a nice spot over there though. I can see some fishing line. If I get it, 3 fish. Are we going to get on the end of this, I wonder? Is it in the tree or is it in the water? It's in the tree. It's a spinner up in that tree probably. See up there? We got it. Let's get it out. We've got the line. What's going on? Stay for part 3. Or subscribe for part 3. We're going to get it out the tree.